Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this beautiful car. It's a 2001 Jaguar S-Type 4-litre V8. And it's finished in absolutely unmarked, gleaming sea frost metallic. And it's complemented with cashmere leather interior. I'll just take you around the car close up so you can see how absolutely impeccable this car is. This car has not got any marks, chips, damage. There's no dents, there's no scuffs, there's no scrapes. Everything works on the car. All the light lenses at the front are absolutely perfect. A stainless steel mesh grille. As you can see, no chips on the bonnet whatsoever. We're just in our showroom today filming this for the simple reason is it's so windy and dusty outside, and it's quite noisy as well with the guys next door. It's got matching Pirelli P6000 tyres all round, chrome door mirrors, it's had new wiper blades, it's had a recent service. Just to make it clear that this car is a one owner from new car with full Jaguar service history. And it's only done 26,000 miles from new. It was bought originally from FJSH, which is Jaguar main dealer in Nottingham, and that's where the car resided all its life, and it was loved and cherished by its previous keeper. All the alloy wheels are immaculate. We have fully inspected this car, and it's perfect. The underside, the bushes, all the floors, everything is absolutely impeccable. I dare say, I'll stick my neck out now, we deal with these cars a lot, as most regular viewers know. But this car is probably the very best S-Type that we've ever had. And although all the others run a close second, this has just got the edge. As you can see on the wheel arches, absolutely perfect. No corrosion, no scuffs. As you can see, the rear light lenses, absolutely perfect. It's got rear parking sensors, this one, which was an option. It's got a heated front screen, which was an option. It's got a full-size Jaguar S-Type rear number plate, which we fitted. It's got chrome rear light cluster surrounds. As you can see, no damage, no scuffs or scratches to the bumpers or to the chrome. Same story this side, absolutely impeccable. Hopefully from the video you can get a gist of how extraordinary mint that this car is. All the springs, the road springs and all the suspension arms are all got the factory paint on them. Tilt and slide electric sunroof. So we're just going to finish walking around the outside of this car and showing you around every panel so you can get a gist of how perfect it is. Chrome door handles. No chips or scratches in the windscreen whatsoever. There you go. Absolutely impeccable. And in a beautiful colour. Really popular colour, this. Right, we'll start in the boot. All the seams are absolutely perfect. All the boot shuts are perfect. All the rubbers are supple and perfect. This car also, as an option from the factory, had a CD stacker. Now, one of the most impressive things in this car, I'm going to show you. It has still got the original HA Fox plates, which will just pop there for a second, as you can see. Got a full toolkit. It's got a recent battery, like of a couple of months ago. It was fitted by the previous owner. But that is a brand spanking new spare alloy wheel with a brand spanking new Pirelli P6000, never even been on the car in 21 years. And the boot floor underneath that is absolutely like a brand new dinner plate. It's perfect. Right, let's go and have a look inside. Perfect door cards, perfect door veneers, perfect inside all the sill steps, absolutely perfect. The carpets are perfect, all the overmats, they were an option as well from Jaguar when it was new. I've got the original sales invoice for this car, so I can see what the guy who bought it originally paid extra for all these different things. Proper floor mats in. Absolutely perfect in the back, never been sat in with the look of that. Headliner, perfect as well. Hopefully you can see from the video, the light's not particularly good in the showroom. It's a bit of a dull day out there, but I'm sure you can get the idea. It has been fully ceramic coated, this car, so it's all protected, and it's all been clear wax oiled underneath. The specification on this car is vast, just not to be too repetitive, but it's got dual climate air conditioning, sports function on the gearbox, it's got heated front screen, heated rear screen, it's got heated front seats, it's got obviously airbags, auto lights, auto wipers, it's got cruise control, it's got a leather and wood steering wheel, it's got memory seat and steering column function. It has got an electric steering column, it's got electric seats with lumbar, and just so I can turn around there, that is the driver's seat, absolutely perfect. We actually put a new handbrake leather, real leather gaiter, not like the vinyl ones that they come with, on this car. We tend to do that because they just look a lot nicer. It's got the hand stitching on, and they are proper leather. There you go. Right, let's just have a quick walk around the other side. But yeah, we're really, really privileged to still be able to find cars like this and to sell them, because it's just absolutely exceptional. Whoever buys this car is going to get the bargain of a lifetime, because this car was £35,000 when it was brand new, and it still looks like brand spanking new now, and we've got it advertised at $10,995. Glove box, absolutely perfect. You just tell when you touch all these things, you know, this has had no wear. It still feels like brand spanking new. This is the original handbook. It's got the radio code, original CD guide for you to listen to. It's got the handbooks, everything. The service book and everything is upstairs. So I will also do a little video of all that. But yeah, absolutely perfect. And again, in the back at this side, and they drive absolutely fantastically, and they're getting to be a extremely rare model of these with the V8 4-litre engine in. I'm just taking my time with this video today because I want you to really, really get a good idea of how mint this car is. You know, all the little kick steps with Jaguar on, none of them are scratched, none of them are marked. I'll just undo the bonnet. Even the wheel feels like new. It's not all shiny. It's not all shiny on the leather or worn. It just feels like new. It's got all its texture still to it. 26,000 miles, folks. There it is, the 4-litre V8 engine. As you can see under there, absolutely impeccable, like the rest of the car. But as it should be, very, very low mileage car, isn't it? Lovely looking car, these S-Types. Right, let's go and have a look at all the service history. Right, here we go. This is all the service history. A massive amount of history. All these invoices on the left-hand side are generally all Jaguar service or maintenance receipts. Unbelievable. It's got all its MOT history as well. It is currently MOT'd till the 23rd of the 10th, 2022 this year, with no advisories. It's got the original HA Fox Nottingham leather key fobs, 2 keys, 2 fobs, remote fobs. Service history there. Full service history, all from Jaguar. And there you go, and obviously the handbook pack and everything is in the car, as we've already showed you. But yeah, just unbelievable. One owner from new, fantastic maintenance history, fantastic car. First to see this car, I'm sure will buy and be absolutely delighted. The car is currently advertised at $10,995, which we think is just unbelievable value to say how that car has been maintained, kept, and the condition that it is in now. All inquiries are welcome. The number is 07759 938 395. Or you can email us on sales@themaltonmotorcompany.com. Check out our Facebook page, which is the Malton Motor Company, if you type that into the search bar. Obviously, if you type into the search bar in YouTube, you'll get to see all our videos as well. That's obviously the Malton Motor Company if you type in the search bar on YouTube. And also, if you look on our website, it's www.themaltonmotorcompany.com. We hope you've enjoyed this video. We hope you love the car as much as we do. And, you know, all inquiries are welcome. Please make an appointment now. Thanks for watching.